this is Joe Tamargo from WetheadPumpRepair.com. All right, welcome back to part 20 of the Waterway Executive 56 Spa Pump Repair Series Premium Edition. All right, there you go. Huge title, huge work, I guess, right? Something like that. All right, so in this video, we're going to be talking about the through bolts, okay? These two through bolts, well, there's actually four. You have two through bolts that are in the bottom here, so you can see those right there. And then you have two through bolts that are in the top. Now, the reason they're called through bolts is because they go entirely through the motor from one side to the other. Now, let me demonstrate what I'm talking about. I'm going to take this through bolt, and I'm going to take it and put it back into the hole it came out of. Okay, you probably know what that is since you've taken the motor apart. If you have not taken your motor apart and you're guessing, well, try taking your motor apart and you'll understand. That'll be cool. Or watch the previous videos where we showed you how to take out these through bolts, okay? Now, also remember, all parts are available at WetheadPumpRepair.com. We have full kits that come with the bearings and seals to help you fix your pump. All right, so there we go. There's a shameless plug. All right, so going back to the through bolts, here we go. We're just going to take the through bolt, and we're going to stick it inside the rear end bell, just like that. Now remember, we had lined up casing up in the other videos. We had put marks on the casing, and then we had lined those marks up. So if you haven't seen that either, make sure you revert back to those other videos where you can see us doing that. All right, so here we go. Now we're going to take the through bolt, and we're going to put it in straight. Okay, you want to make sure you get it straight. You don't want to go up or down, because if you go up or down, it's going to go in crooked or cocked or whatever like that, and it's not going to come through the hole on the other side. Now, as long as it's straight like that, you can just push it through like this. See that? And you will see it comes out right the other side. Now you want to do that with all four through bolts. You want to put all four of these through bolts together. Take your time. Like I said, if you can't get them straight, just play with it a little bit, just like that. And there you go, all four through bolts. Now, the next thing you do, you probably wonder to yourself, well, where do these through bolts screw into? Well, in the back of the seal housing here, there are brass inserts. Can you see that? Now, depending on what position your pump is in, whether it was side or top, you want to position it that way. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to slide on, okay, my seal housing, right? Just like that. And then I'm going to start tightening my through bolts, right? No, that is absolutely wrong. You actually need a water sling, okay? You need a sling that's going to go on the shaft and seal up, right? And what that does is next time your seal goes bad, it's going to pretty much prevent water from going into your bearings. Well, at least hold off a little bit before your pump totally fails. So that's what I'm going to show you in the next video. In this video, I want to show you how to put the through bolts through, which I did show you. I told you get your seal housing ready. And now when we come back, I'm going to have a water sling. I'm going to show you how to put a water sling on the shaft, and then we're going to tighten up the seal housing. And then after that, we're going to have another video where we're going to test the motor, then we're going to put the impeller on, put the front cover on, and that's it. The pump is fully rebuilt. All right, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Please make sure you're subscribed to the videos. That way you get the latest and greatest videos delivered to your inbox, and also, you know, all the good tips from us as well. All right, thanks for watching. All parts are available. See you in the next video. Peace.